Yeah.
So we are going to be showing you how it works and what it can do. So this is an electric go-kart, which means it doesn't need any gas. All you have to do is charge it. And the way you charge it is you plug this in right here, and then you plug this into the wall, which is super easy to charge. And the way you know that it is charged is when you have this plugged into the wall, the light will be green or red. When it's red, it means it's not charged, and when it is green, it means it is fully charged. Another way you know that it is fully charged is when you turn it on, you see here, if all the dots are red, it is full. So one thing that is really cool about this go-kart is it folds in half, so you can fit this in the back of your SUV. You could probably fit like about 4 in the back of your SUV. So the way you fold it is you just pull this little lever and it folds in half, and that is super easy. This go-kart drives great. In the back we have 2 shocks to make the ride not bumpy, and we have 2 disc brakes to make it stop really nicely, and here's the electric motor, and then we have these 2 fenders on the side which make it look awesome.
This go-kart's really easy to use and really super duper fast. And here's how you turn it on here. And this is reverse. This is the free speed 6, 12, and 20. And this is the horn. Right now it's not on. There's the horn. And here's brake and here's gas.
Okay, let's take it for a spin.